Right now, Beam is going absolutely crazy inside of 4 hourly time frame. Once again, it just doesn't stop pumping. It doesn't take a break. It just keeps rocketing to the moon, which is absolutely crazy right now. Because if you take a look at the crypto bubbles, once again, Beam is not one of, but it is the top performer in the top 100 cryptos by market cap. So this is absolutely insane. Beam is literally the winner for today's pump. And also, what's even crazy is we have called this move exactly at my Twitter profile. So be sure to follow me on Twitter because I release more frequent updates on there. And yeah, let's talk about this recent price action right now, bros. So we're gonna be talking about the levels to look out for. We're gonna be discussing this recent price action, what are the warnings we should be aware of, and also we're gonna be talking about the possible bullish and bearish scenarios that may arise in the very short term for Beam. So you don't want to miss this update video I have for Beam right now. So let's jump right into the charts. And yes, we are inside the 4 hourly time frame. And in my previous video, I warned you guys that be wary because we could see Beam potentially have a pullback, and I mentioned the levels to look out for. Actually, in my previous video, I talked about this order block we have right here, and I said watch out for this level because we could potentially see Beam find support at this order block right here. I've said this in my previous video, this is an order block and it could act as support for the Beam price. And right now, as you guys can see, we have found support at this level and we are right now skyrocketing towards the upside. Now, I would like to inform you guys about something crazy because if you do move into the daily time frame right now, you guys can see that we have closed the daily candle above this red line. And I have mentioned in my previous video that is the bullish confirmation we are waiting for. That is going to be a close above the red line or a close above 0.024 cents because that was where we have previously marked this swing high right here, and that is a significant resistance level. So fortunately, Beam has broken out of this level and we have even closed the daily candle above this level. So right now, I am feeling bullish for the Beam price, and as a result of this, I'm expecting higher prices in the short to mid term, essentially because again we have broken out of this level that's bullish. Also, we could even say we have broken out of this descending trend line right here, which is also another bullish signal. So many signals or many indicators are flipping bullish. If you do check the MACD right here, it's showing a rise in the momentum in the histogram. And if we do move into the 4 hourly time frame, oh, just a warning, the 4 hourly time frame though, because it looks like Beam is gonna be seeing a bearish cross at some point right here. So be warned for the MACD, it kind of looks bearish right now, and we may be seeing a bearish cross soon. So that may be indicative of a pullback in the short term. Be aware of this. I'm just seeing it right now appear in the charts. And for the RSI, yeah, a warning inside the 4 hourly time frame, major warning inside the 4 hourly time frame, because right now Beam, it looks like Beam has formed this bearish divergence inside again the 4 hourly time frame inside the RSI. So this is one bearish indicator you should look out for right now, and this is usually indicative of a short-term pullback. So just be aware of this. And of course, if you're looking to buy Beam right now, I personally would advise you to stay away from that path, to steer clear from that decision right now, because it's very risky to buy into pumps. Because in my previous video on Beam yesterday, I have already gave you guys the levels to look out for if you're looking to buy the dip. I said look out for this exact order block right here that's at around 0.024 cents, and I marked this as a buying zone. So if you were lucky to catch the dip right around this level right here and ride this wave towards the upside, and good for you, congratulations. But right now, I would strongly advise you to not do that, because this is very risky. You're literally buying the local top of some sort, so don't do that. Not financial advice, of course. Invest in your own terms, but that is the warning I have for today for Beam. Now, obviously, all of these signals are inside my Discord server. I release daily or weekly market insights and updates. So if you don't want to miss these important and valuable stuff, then my Discord server is in the description below. It's free and you can join it right now actually. And also watch this video on the screen right now.